Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to make this easy and beautiful milk bottle cover. So without wasting time, let's get started. For this project we need two color cotton yarn. I am using pink and white. You can use any other color, scissor and 4 mm crochet hook. We will start our project by making magic ring. In the magic ring, make 2 chain stitch and 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have total 9 double crochet and 1 chain line. We will end our row with a slip stitch. Let's start our second row with 2 chain. In the same stitch we will make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch we will make 2 double crochet. 2. Now we will continue making 2 double crochet in every stitch all around the row. In the end we will have 1 chain line and total 19 double crochet. End the row with a slip stitch. We will start our row 3 with chain 2 and in the same space we will make 1 double crochet. In next stitch we will make 1 double crochet. In next 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Now we will continue using the same pattern all around the row. In this row we will have total 30 double crochet and the row with a slip stitch. Let's check the size. My size is perfect, but if you think your size is small then you can add one more line. We will start our next row by chain 2 and in each stitch we will make 1 double crochet. And the row with a slip stitch. You will have total 30 double crochet in this row. Now we will start our next row with chain 2 And again we will make one double crochet in each stitch. And the row with a slip stitch. Let's check the height. I think this height is enough. Now we will change our color. I'm taking the white color. Make a knot and attach with our work. Chain 2. Now we will continue making one double crochet in each stitch all around the row. Make sure to hide the yarn end. For hiding the yarn end, take the both yarn ends and yarn over. Insert the hook in the stitch through the yarn ends and make the double crochet. Again yarn over, insert the hook through the yarn ends and make a double crochet. Continue making the double crochet all around the row. And the row with a slip stitch. Alright, so our first row is all finished up, and now we are going to do one double crochet in every stitch until we reach to the top of the bottle, and then I'll meet you back so we can do our ending row together. It takes me total 10 rows to reach at the top of the bottle. You might take less or more rows according to your bottle size. And the row with a slip stitch. Now we will start our finish line. That will be one single crochet in each stitch. I will meet you at the end of the row. And the row with a slip stitch. Here is our bottle cover. Now we will make bow for our bottle cover. I am using pink color. You can use any color. Make a slip knot and start making a chain of 30. Once we have our chain of 30, we will join one end to other with a slip knot. Now we will make two chain 1 and chain 2. From here we will going to make one double crochet in every stitch we have all around the row. When you complete your first row of double crochet, what we gonna do is make 2 chain stitch and then continue doing double crochet all around the row. We are going to do the same thing for more 2 lines. In the end, we will have total 4 rows of double crochet. Make a bow with this. And now we will attach our bow with a bottle cover. Our bottle cover is ready. You can add pearls and diamonds of your choice for decoration. Hope you like this crochet bottle cover tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for such more videos. I will meet you next time with another easy tutorial. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day and be safe.